Hello, I hope you guys are doing well and wishing you all a very happy new year. This holidays I started learning Unreal Engine and this is my first Unreal minigame. It is called as CubeCraft. I personally love games which involve collecting resources and building your base, and this is a simple game inspired from Minecraft with its cube building system. The game has two basic resources, wood and stone, which are used to build the wooden and stone blocks. The rest do not have any cost associated with them. You can collect these resources from the building producing them. The lumber camp is for wood and the stone mine is for stone blocks. The player can press the left mouse button on this building to collect the resources. The resources are infinite to allow the player freedom to make as many buildings as they want. The different blocks are grass, water, wooden, stone, chest, and light. As mentioned, only wooden and stone blocks have cost associated with them. To place a block, press M to show the cursor and select the block in the UI. The UI button will display a yellow background for selected block. Press M again to exit out of the UI mode and move the cursor wherever you want to place the block and click on the left mouse button to create the block. Similarly, you can use the right mouse button to destroy the block that is already created in the game. The game also has a save load system. On pressing escape, the pause menu opens up. Clicking on save button saves the state of the game, including all the hard work of building your base. The game is made using Unreal and Blueprints. The building and the tile models are from this package by Tidal Flask Studios on Epic Marketplace. It's completely free and really awesome. If you want to try this game out, it's uploaded on itch.io. Link for the game will be provided in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment whatever feedback you have regarding the game. See you guys again next time.